Meet one of my best friends, Marcia, aka Kris. Now, she has the unfortunate circumstance to have her birthdays fall around Labor Day. Now, seeing as I love her more, I'm gonna draw attention away from Labor Day and direct it towards some of her favorite things. Happy birthday, Kris. Love you bunches, darling. And welcome to my kitchen. Kris and I, we met at Cocktail Service Specialist. We were in the same training class, and our icebreaker was Korean pop, better known as K-pop. And I mean, I knew a little bit about it, but she gave me like the official induction into its amazing depths. And our bond has been cemented ever since. So she loves everything Asian, and Korea is like her most loved place. So naturally, Korean food is her favorite. So in honor of her, on her birthday, I'm going to make the Korean dish beef bulgogi. Aegyo, activate. Now we're gonna start with the mushrooms, and I found these beach mushrooms which grow on the beach tree, and they have this like sweet and buttery taste when cooked, and it'll pair well with the saltiness of the beef. Plus, they looked amusing, and I thought they would give the dish a different aesthetic than using like the regular mushrooms. But by all means, you still can use regular mushrooms. All right, now we're gonna heat about 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan, and we're gonna saute the mushrooms until they're starting to get tender. For the beef, you'll want cuts that will cook fairly quickly when they're thinly sliced. So you'll want cuts like sirloin, tri-tip, ribeye, flat iron, strip, tenderloin, cuts like that. Usually at the grocery store, you can find packages of stir-fried beef. Those will be perfect as well. And we're just gonna season these with a little bit of salt and pepper and then set inside. Now, the mushrooms are nearly tender, so at this point, we're gonna add the beef and saute until the mushrooms are tender and the beef is cooked. Now to get saucy. Now to this, we're gonna add 2 or 3 cloves of minced garlic, and we're gonna saute for about a minute. Then to this, we're gonna add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, and you can use low sodium, and 3 tablespoons of agave nectar. Now, agave nectar is a natural sweetener, but if you can't find agave nectar, then you can use honey or sugar instead. Now, we'll add a tablespoon of sesame seeds, but first what we wanna do is we wanna help release some of their oil, and so we're gonna rub them between the palms of our hand, then add them in. Now add a tablespoon of sesame oil. So sesame oil is used quite often in Asian cooking, and it's wonderful because it's got this toasted aroma and it adds like such a beautiful smokiness to the dish. And then we're just gonna cook this until it thickens up just a little bit. And then you're done. So just serve this with a side of rice or over rice, and then garnish it with some scallions and some extra sesame seeds. And then enjoy this deliciousness on a plate. Happy birthday again, Kris. Love you bunches, darling. I hope it's one of the best to come and all your B-Day wishes come true. And for everyone else, I hope you get inspiration from my kitchen. Like and subscribe to come back for more. And comment below if you've ever had Korean Bulgogi before, or if you want to definitely try it now. You can connect with me on any of my social media listed below. Thank you bunches for being here, and I'll catch you back here for more deliciousness.